Hello. Um, my name is Kanno from Japan. I'm living in Berlin since 5 years. I'm media artist, mostly making robots. What kind of robots? So, um, one on the left top, it's a drawing machine, draws graffiti, but without name. It's just a double pendulum, so usually graffiti writer has name and they're writing their own name, but this is just randomness, so extracting the drawing dynamics from graffiti. And one on the right, it's also a drawing machine, and for this time, it's removing the meaning from the handwriting of the language. It's like there's machine learning is only learning the shape of the language from stroke and ignoring the meaning, and then it generates some letters look like meaningful lines. If you don't read this language, it's really look like that language. And the one on the left bottom, it was last year in Gare de Lyon. It was this small drawing machines like for 30 meters for 36 small robots are like reacting to the environmental data condition, like humidity, number of the people, loudness and stuff. And after some months, it create huge mural data visualization kind of visual. And one on the right bottom is the latest work. Swarm robots behaving like synchronizing with the same algorithm. It's also get out of synchronize and this kind of robots. And for this residency, I have one really IoT topic related artwork, and it's like this. With this installation in the exhibition place, all the objects are robotized, and like if in this post IoT age, what if all the object has computers and ability to sense and communicate? What is it to be like? I thought, and then we just implement all the computer and camera, microphone, and some of them has motors to move around, and it is connected to internet. And for this exhibition, like people from all over the world from internet can remote control all the objects, and people in the actual exhibition place, they kind of observe like the objects controlled by people. So I'm trying to do something to giving some different point of view to like Internet of Things world. And since this project, I wanted to explore more about this way, and then I found this residency, and I proposed this project. For this time, things are not moving, but really full equipped like IoT, like all the sensors and camera and stuff, like spy cameras and stuff, are implemented, and like trying to collect as much possible data from visitors. And in the second room, you could see the virtual world that made with this collected data. That was the initial proposal. And my partner is Create IoT. They are a consortium of IoT, which is one part of LSP, which means large-scale pilot. They are other consortium is like dedicated to autopilot or Internet of Farming or some other topic of Internet of Things. And they are about making terminology and also like try to make industrial collaboration easily or those kind of thing. And for our collaboration, what they wanted me to do is kind of like to promote the concept of IoT, since they are making books or doing conference and stuff, or also like standardization, which is quite important for IoT industry. But they don't really have how to say, like easy to understand tool to promote things. So, and first I was like, I'm not here to promote stuff, but like we had long discussion and stuff, and we somehow find a way to work together. But the initial proposal was really ambitious. I needed to simplify a lot of stuff. I really expected too much support and stuff, but like I needed to simplify. And in the end, what I made is this living room. It's really just living room, but still have a lot of sensors and stuff. And what is special is in the screen, there's a Twitter clone, and things are talking on the screen. And yeah, this is look like this. This was the photo from the conference called ICT 2018 last December in Vienna. Like a lot of Horizon 2020 related projects was there, and there is like that's how it works. Like for example, there's a pressure sensor on the sofa, and when sofa detect the person like somebody sits on, like, but sofa only can detect like there is someone on me or something. They don't have a camera and stuff. So then it's gonna ask camera that like who or what's on me, and then camera respond to sofa that what they see. And this smart camera, it could detect number of people and gender and age and mood. So like you see, like I see a group of people with one male and female, and their emotions are anger and sad. Like that's sad, but like it's not really accurate for the mood. But for the age estimation, sometimes it's quite accurate. But like people are really emotional about their what they say. Like I'm not 45 or whatever or something. But yeah, things are talking about people. And also in this system, not only interactive, like things are started talking about the issue like security or like nationality or gender or something. So it's also like sometimes like sofa and camera is talking about security, and like it's also could ask stuff for people questioning the matter. And yeah, recently 2 weeks ago there was the event called Meta Marathon, and I was participating with this project, and I had workshop. And for this workshop, I asked the participant to generate the script for between the things. So then, like, yeah, there was like 7, 8 script was created in the conference, and that was really nice because like all those script was made by me in this installation, but like this is about to give some different perspective in like IoT and stuff, so it totally makes sense to have other person's point of view. That's it, thanks.